In this video, we'll cover the steps to creating schedules with Sawyer. Think of scheduling as a two-part process. First, you'll create a time frame called a schedule, and then you'll connect activities to that schedule. Using the left navigation toolbar, we'll click on Schedules. While semesters, camps, and events are the most commonly used schedule types in Sawyer, we also support a few advanced options. If your business offers appointment scheduling, free trial classes, or activities that happen across multiple days of the week called multi-day scheduling, watch our supplemental training videos on advanced scheduling options in Sawyer. Today we'll cover the functionality within semesters and camps in the next few video tutorials. Let's start by exploring semesters. Click on Semesters to learn more. A semester time frame is a weekly schedule that has a determined starting week and repeats for a specified number of weeks. This is the most common scheduling type used within Sawyer. For example, you would use semesters to have a schedule for an after-school rock climbing class that meets every Monday at 4 p.m. for 8 weeks. To add a new semester time frame, let's click on New Semester found in the top right corner of your screen. From here, you'll select the first week the semester begins. Once you do this, you'll notice that the entire week is highlighted. Once your week is selected, click Next. Now let's name the semester. Click into this field. While this field is not currently displayed to customers, you still want to keep your schedule names consistent and organized for reporting purposes. Once finished, click Save. Next, you'll select the number of weeks from the drop-down menu below. We currently support up to 53 weeks for a semester time frame. Note that once selected, the date that is shown represents the start of the final week of the semester and not just the last date the class is held. Here, you'll want to select Holidays and Closings. Click into this field. Here you'll click the dates where your business is not in session. Once you're finished, click Save in the top right corner of the screen. To add holiday closures, click on the dates and you'll notice that the screen will turn black for the bubble. Follow this step to mark all of your holidays and closings. Once finished, click Save in the top right corner of the main editing screen when all of your semester schedule changes are finished. Once a new semester is created, you'll see it appear on the main page where you'll find a list of semesters created in your account. By default, a new schedule will not be published. To publish a schedule, you'll click the toggle next to Published once finished with your edits and ready to launch registration for a semester. Publishing your schedule allows customers to view and register for your scheduled activities. Now let's add activities to the scheduled time frame. To do this, click Add Activity. Here you'll see 4 drop-down menus: Activity, Location, Instructors, and Cancellation Policies. If you watched our listings video, you'll notice that these are pre-populated with all of the options you previously configured under Listings. Here you can make selections from each of the drop-down menus. If you select an online activity, you'll notice some additional fields that are displayed: Class Link and Access Instructions. Here you can use Class Link to enter in a streaming URL, such as a Zoom link or Google Meet link, for example. For Access Instructions, you can list detailed instructions for students, including software to download or any necessary passcodes. These fields will also display on an automatic email reminder sent 30 minutes prior to the start of an online activity. If you're scheduling an in-person activity, you'll notice that these fields disappear. Let's make some selections using our drop-down menus. First, you'll choose a location. Next, you have the option to add in your instructors now, or you can add in this step later. Select a cancellation policy if applicable. For day of the week, click your selection by clicking into the day of the week name, and then choosing a start and end time. For activity capacity, enter in the max number of students that can enroll. If your waitlist is enabled as a default, you'll see it automatically selected here. To turn this default on or off, simply drag the toggle. Next, you'll notice some advanced settings, including members only, class registration, open registration, and widget tags. To learn more about these features included under Advanced Settings, check out our Help Center articles. Once finished at this screen, click Save and Continue in the bottom right corner to move on to Step 2, Pricing. Semester activities have the following pricing options available. Full semester pricing allows you to collect a full semester price or add in specific payment plans. For example, you could have a semester that's $1,000 and then add a payment plan that has a certain number of installments, include a deposit, or even a surcharge. To learn more about payment plans, go to our Help Center article to learn more. Next, we have drop-in pricing, which allows you to offer single-day pricing in Sawyer speak. You can also have a free activity or add in monthly pricing here. Monthly pricing allows you to choose a billing date of either 1st or 15th of the month. Again, we recommend reviewing our Help Center article to learn more about monthly pricing. Click the toggle options next to the pricing that you'd like to add. While you can offer a variety of paid pricing options, once you select free activity, all other pricing configurations are turned off. Click Save and Continue once ready to move on to the final add-on step. On this screen, we'll walk through the different add-ons that are supported across both semesters and camps and events timeframe. Scroll down to learn more. Here you have the option to add in early drop-off, extended day, after-school pickup, or optional add-ons. To learn more about each of these, simply drag the toggle to reveal more information. For early drop-off, extended day, and after-school pickup, these are primarily used for our after-school programs. Here you can designate a specific drop-in pricing, or based on whatever pricing you have configured for your activity, this allows the customer to purchase an early drop-off fee. You also have the option to offer extended day to allow a student to stay longer after the class takes place. Here you can customize whatever pricing you'd like to configure. For after-school pickup, you can designate a pickup time, as well as designate whether a client must purchase all registered classes and configure a price per class. Optional add-ons allow you to sell optional items for purchase during the checkout process. For example, if you want to sell t-shirts or art kits here, you can do so. You also have the ability to add in a required fee. Think of this as a material fee or registration fee. It should not be designed to use as a pass-through credit card fee for the customer, as add-ons are subject to credit card processing fees as well as the scheduled activity. Last, you have the ability here to add in sibling discounts. Here you can offer a percentage discount when 2 or more children are registering for this exact activity and time. To learn more about any of the add-ons supported in Sawyer, check out our Help Center articles. Once finished, click Save and Continue and return to semesters. Now that you've scheduled your first activity, scroll down on the page and find the semester details to learn more. Click the little caret to see your scheduled activity. From here, you can repeat all of the steps and add in additional scheduled activities. Once you're finished, remember to click Publish so that you can turn on your activities and get ready to launch your registration. Now that you're familiar with scheduling your semester activities, we'll explore how to follow a similar process and create camps and events.